Good morning, viewers, my subscribers, my students, and all the traders in general. Traders who trade technical and as well as fundamental. I'm a technical trader. My name is Samuel Okoyeocha, reaching you from the land of the rising sun. First of all, apologies for those who watch my video weekly. Last week, I couldn't make a video. I went to my village for some important things, and I was so occupied. Then right now, I'm giving you continuation because my videos is continuation because every week I make videos, and I know if you're following my videos, you'll be making lots of money from my idea. So I use, if this is the first time you're watching my video, like, share, and subscribe. I use advanced method of Elliott Wave to analyze and as well trade. I also run mentorship for those who want to learn how I trade, how I analyze. You will see the test on this bio. My phone number, the number is on WhatsApp and Telegram. You will contact me. I also have free Telegram channels, 2 of them, and WhatsApp channel as well, but I pay more attention on Telegram. So if you like free setups, you join me. I drop setups every now and then. But if you want to learn from me, you contact me. I have a student and VIP group. You will be learning and trading. The little money you pay for the school fees, you're gonna cover it on a good week. I mean a week where trade setups, where we get good trade setups, you can cover it in a week. So it doesn't pay for the learning. Just as I say, time is money. It's almost free. The amount I charge is almost free, but when you make it free, people will not value it. So that's why I charge little money to help those who cannot pay much money. So join me and learn if you wish. So let's get to the business. DXY, remember, I will not be showing you daily charts today. No need of doing that. DXY, we have a little what we call truncation. You see, whenever the pay doesn't get to our target zone, we call it truncation. Then when it goes above it, it becomes confusion. Why? Because sometimes when it goes above it, you will think it will continue going that way. All of a sudden, it can turn back and go your way. So in this case, it is called truncation. Now, what are you going to do? Simple thing you're going to do is to watch out for correction, something like this. Then you join the selling. You still have a long way down to sell. Okay, so let's continue. The selling continues. Meanwhile, when it comes to this zone, we expect it to go up but right now let's focus on the selling. Okay, USD card, the same thing. USD card didn't truncate. It got to our reversal zone. You can see it, but it is yet to move. It is just to move. Maybe it wanna waste time, or possibly it can still go up a little. But mind you, stop loss will be here. Either you put it here. That is the stop loss. This place is too far. I won't play like this because the stop loss is too far. Here is okay. Remember, in trading, you also learn how to lose. What I mean, how to endure losses, because there's no guarantee that a trade must be a winner. If all trades is be a winner, everybody will be millionaires, because this place is turned and go up. It can go down and you lose. So, but if you know what you are doing, your losses will be very small. And when you lose small. When you gain big. Imagine trading from here. Imagine trading from here down to this place. How many pips? About 350 pips. Then if you lose, let's assume you lose about 148 pips. Meanwhile, if you are my student, if the market is going against you, it cannot hit your stop loss. You will know that it will be against you. Maybe you end up losing 50 or 70 pips. Because that's what I will teach you. You will see in 1 hour time frame, within this time frame, and you know that the market will not go in your favor. So you end up losing 50 pips, 30 pips, just small losses. But when you gain massively. So that's why it's good to know technical analysis. So USD CAD is going down. USD CHF is also going down. Anyway, I will advise you to don't trade USD CHF this time around because chances for you to go up is there. So it is in a place of indecision. Meanwhile, it seems to be making ending diagonal. Maybe it's making an ending diagonal. So since there are so many places to trade, the one that have some confusion in it, you leave it and focus on other ones. Meanwhile, I see it going down, but I don't want to sell it because I would like to trade a trade with bigger probabilities. It's going down, but I don't want to trade it. Euro USD is going up. We see another truncation. It didn't get to our zone. Though, anyway, it didn't get our zone, but it's now going up. What we do is go down to 1 hour and watch for correction. Let me show you what I mean. This is 1 hour time frame. Let me zoom the charts. This is 1 hour time frame. So from my own calculation, this is what we are expecting. So this is wave 1, wave 2, maybe 3, 4, 5. Then we get A, B, C. Or maybe this is, or this can be wave 3. This can be wave 4. Then wave 5. After that, we get an A, B, C. Then you buy. So watch out for this. Or maybe this is wave 3. This is wave 4. This is wave 5. Then we get A, B, C. Then you buy. So whichever one, it is still a buy market. That's what I want to. So let's assume that it has completed. Though I'm not sure whether it has completed or not. There's no way you can be so sure until it finishes. So that's what I mean by watch out for correction and then you join the buying. Pounds USD is buying, the same thing with Euro USD, it is buying. So I don't want to go to daytime frame. In daytime frame, there's a need for big move down, but I think it's not gonna happen. Meanwhile, this stop loss is too far. Even here is too far. So the best thing is to place it here. Okay. So if it goes below this place, which I doubt it will happen, but it's a buy market. It's a completed an ABC, AUD USD. It's about all this space. We bought it. The ending week. So we are in profit in a lot of this space. Here we have another protection again, but I bought it. So many of my students bought it. So they are much gain last week. There will be more gain this week because the market is giving us lots of trade setups. This one again is a buy. This move here is correction. I don't see it breaking this. So it is buying and market will keep going up. Okay, so that is it. Which one? JB225. JB225 is selling. There's something I want to let you know on JB225. JB225 and the yen pays did not give me nice structures. So I didn't buy them, I didn't sell them. But right now I can sell, but I want to be very careful. Now, let me use MT5 as a case study. Now, there's the possibility that this is what we call A, B, C, and it will go up again before going down. But if it goes down to 32,000 area, if it goes down to 31,300 zone or lower, then forget about this. It will now become 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and it will continue going down. So this is a free lesson for everybody. Whenever I drop it, you grab it. Okay, so let's continue. Meanwhile, dropping now is what is happening, but how long will it drop? That's the question. JPY, same thing. I was looking for a kind of A, B, C, or maybe some of this then to sell, but it keeps going down. Right now, it seems to be it seems to be this is an A, B, C. Then this is wave 1, wave 2, maybe wave 3, wave 4, 5, and so on. So for you to trade the M page, you must have experience. Since you didn't sell below this place, some people sold below this place because I know that this will be a kind of running flat. So it requires some knowledge to catch this type of trade. But don't struggle to catch some trade when they are not clear, because you will see some that will give you clear setups. You take them. The M page is somehow tricky this time around. JPY is going down. I sold this one. When this happened, I sold, but I didn't share it with other people because I know it's risky, because the possibility of doing this, just as I show you on the possibility of doing this before doing this is there, but I didn't do it. It keeps going down. I trade it out of experience. Okay, so that's for USJPY. Pound JPY, I also sold this one after the break of the channel. Remember last week I was, sorry, I mean last 2 weeks, please. Last 2 weeks, I was expecting that we were gonna get a kind of expanding flat, A, B, C, somewhere here and go up. Then it kept dropping. I sold it below this place, and I was watching to know whether I will close it. I was waiting for it to turn so that I will close, but it didn't turn. It kept going down. I have moved my stop loss to this place. The stop loss might hit. Though in profit anyway, in profit, what I say so. If it have begun to correct, it will likely do something like this before going down. But if it keeps dropping, and I drop above this place, then my stop loss will be intact. It will now correct little and keep going down. Then I will move my stop loss again to this place. So trading with me is sweet because you can keep your trade 2 weeks, 3 weeks, and still be making the profit. Okay, so let's go to gold. Gold. Last weekend when I shared a chat with those who are on my Telegram, the possibility of this drop before buying, but it didn't happen. It keeps going. Meanwhile, we bought from here. I shared the buy from here. The reason I shared this is that if it drops, for you not to be worried, because stop loss was here. So it broke this place and keep going up. So what next? A little drop again and keep going up. So if you haven't joined us, watch out for correction. Then you join the buying team, the bullish team. Silver, the same thing. Silver didn't provide the alternative. Silver, I know that silver is going up, so there was no worry when I traded the silver. So what happened is that I keep shifting my stop loss. Silver, maybe it will give us this wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, maybe 4 and 5 before it will correct and keep going up. So no worries about silver. Platinum, last 2 weeks, I didn't expect it to break. Oh, I didn't expect it to break this low. When it got broken, I changed my account. That's what it want to be a web to know when to adjust. Why am I saying this? People saw me projecting this, something like this, and go up. But I want that it might go down. If you go to that video, you see that I know for you to wait for you to confirm before you buy. Even I want to trade platinum, but I need to enter the buy. Because why? When this was dropping, when it went to drop, I was expecting it to drop from here. Then I will buy, but it broke it, which is a good sign. When I get this drop, I will buy. Secondly, if you go to daily, you know that it's a very nice market to trade because the next target is this place for 1,050, and it will surely break it and keep going up because all these move are corrections. So this time around, expected to break this 1,050 zone to go back to 1,002 and above. So that's platinum. The next is US 100. I think, okay, oil, US oil. US oil is one of the best trades I've taken this year. No doubt about it. I sold oil from here. I closed it here. I didn't buy this. I didn't sell this, but I sold around. Okay, I sold it here again. I closed it here. Sorry, I closed it below this place. Now it's going up. Now I don't know whether it will make double correction. Okay, it may drop from here. I don't know, but it can make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which is wave A. Then A, B, C, wave B. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, wave C. If I see this, I will be happy and I will sell. But no guarantee it must happen. So when you are trading with wave, you must always be cautious of probabilities and alternatives. So let's keep watching whether it keep dropping from here or not. Meanwhile, to know that you go over to 4 hours and 15 minutes, that one I'll not show you. But if you're my student, I want to trade oil, remind me, I will share 1 hour chart and 15-minute chart within the week. US 100 is going up, but there's something I want to show you on US 100. The possibility of this A, B, C cannot be ruled out. You know, this may, before breaking this place, may turn out and give us this drop. Okay, that is an alternative anyway. The main trend is that it will make a little correction and keep going up. Bear that in mind so that when it happens, you will not say, this man confused us or confused me. No, nothing like that. SP 500, the same thing is going on, is going up, but we cannot rule out another correction as long as this base have not been broken. Even if it is broken, you may still have what we call running flat. But right now it is going up. We go down to 1 hour, look for correction and buy. If you are trading that, then if you are buying it, stop loss will be here. Okay, so I think I'm through with. Okay, US starting a nice trade. It's going to our reversal zone. It's now going up. US starts. I don't think it's gonna drop again, or maybe when it's finished 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This seems to be 5 waves in the making. It's 1, 2. This can be wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. which will be still up again before we get to a bigger correction. Those who, let me say something about labeling. If you watch, I doesn't label much this time around because why? I don't have time. Two, labeling can confuse you. Labeling is good to give you direction. But if you focus on labeling, you're making mistakes. Structure is more important than labeling. If you understand the structure. Okay, now for instance, let me say something. Watch this. If you focus on labeling, we will be looking for, okay, this is wave 1, wave 2, this is wave 3, and this is wave 4, as we label it. Then we will be looking for wave 5. Then A, B, C, another move down. But it didn't happen. So because I have no structure, I was able to know that this is not going down again. So labeling is good, but don't so much be attached to labeling. Okay, having said that, let's continue. DAX, we didn't get to our reversal zone. It is going up. Down. It got our reversal zone. It's going up. Expect a new high. So whenever you see correction on 1 hour, you then buy. It is still going up. So I think that's the end of our this thing. Okay, this is found LJP. So I don't cover this. Let's go to cryptos, and I will conclude. For 2 minutes. This is supposed to be not to be long because nothing much to explain. Okay. BTC has given us, I see this as expanding flats. So right now you can see wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, then wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, maybe wave 4, wave 5. After that, we may get a big correction. Mind you, if you see it coming down to 56, even 54, don't panic because it's completing 5 waves. Then it will go up. Or it can even be, okay, now let me tell you something again. It can be a shallow correction. It can be shallow. It can make a little correction like this. Before this place, it will turn and keep going. Why am I saying all this? Here is, here will be the stop loss. Okay. 52. Oh. 52 will be stop loss. As long as it didn't break the 52, it is still going up. So why am I showing you all this? Many people, because of lack of experience, whenever they see the market going against them, they begin to panic. Myself, I have entered the Bitcoin. I missed this entry. And I missed this one. Because why? I have so many trades open. So I don't overtrade. Please don't overtrade. You must not trade every opportunity you see. Because while something can happen, market can turn against you. Always bear that in mind. So I didn't trade it. If I had entered it from here or from here, if it's doing this, I would rather add another position. It becomes 2. So when it is going up, I'm making double profits. But if you don't have knowledge, you will begin to panic and close the one you opened. Then after closing it, you see it's going up. So if you don't want to get knowledge and continue trading on inside, it's your choice to make. Nobody forces you to get knowledge, but it's an advice. You are wasting your money. The little money you pay your mentor, you waste it, you use it on trade. So what's gain? And if you're learning from me, you'll be making profits and you're learning as well. Okay, Ethereum is not as fast as Bitcoin. But I know that wherever Bitcoin is going, they will also go with it. But at least it has broken a channel. It's important. It shows it's going to go up. It shows, when the channel shows it's going to go up, no matter what is happening, we will see it go up because Bitcoin is going up. It really cannot stay behind, though it may lag for some time, but it will still catch up. Litecoin is doing well this time around, but wait for it to break this channel. If you are afraid that it will drop again, allow it to break this channel, then you can now join us to buy. If you are afraid, allow the break of this channel. But me, I'm not afraid because I see this as you have one ABCWXY. This is called what we call double correction with WXY. So WXY. Flat correction, that's what we have here. So it's still going up. I think I'm ending here. The BNB, nice setup. Last time at this stage, I said I expect it to turn from this place. It did turn and it's going up. I think to say here and to say to those who always trade with us, congratulations for a profit. This ended and turned at our adversary zone. As I said earlier, not a must, it must turn at our adversary zone, not a must. So that's why you trade with stop loss. So now stop loss will be here for Litecoin. So I think this will be the end of our analysis for the week. Good luck. Trade with care. Don't overtrade. Don't be greedy. Don't be afraid. One of the things you will learn from me is how to control your emotions while you are trading. Some people can analyze, but out of fear, they make mistakes. Some people can analyze out of greed, they make mistakes. But if you join me, all these things will be balanced. Thank you, and God bless you.